Which command meets these two criteria? Runs the backup at full speed, either finishes the task in the allotted time, or terminates Recovery Manager, RMAN, with an error if it fails to finish the task in the allotted time. Option A. RMAN backup as copy duration 300 minimize load database. Option B. RMAN backup as copy duration 300 minimize time database. Option C. RMAN backup as copy duration 300 partial minimize load database. Option D. RMAN backup as copy duration 300 partial minimize time database. The correct answer is option B. Which statement correctly describes setup of a server persistent parameter file (SPF) file when used with real application clusters? Option A. 1Z file, created from a text parameter file is required for each instance. Option B. You must create a separate text parameter file for each instance and merge them with the creative SPF file from file equals list of files command to create one common SPF file. Option C. You can add the instance-specific parameters to a common SPF file with the alter system scope equals SPF file sid equals name command. Option D. One common SPF file is required for all instances. It has a parameter instance underscore name underscore SPF file, which in turn points to the instance-specific SPF file. The correct answer is option C. Exhibit image. Which two statements regarding the result of the query shown in the exhibit are correct? Choose two. Option A. The last underscore SCN value in the first row is null, which means that version of the row still exists at SCN 6,636,300. Option B. The last underscore SCN value in the second row is null, which means that version of the row still exists at SCN 6,636,300. Option C. The last underscore SCN value in the second row is null, which means that version of the row no longer exists because it was deleted. Option D. The last underscore SCN value in the third row is 6,636,280, which means that version of the row exists above SCN 6,636,280. The correct answer is option A, C. A query on the sales table returned the following error: Tuesday may some indexes or index subpartitions of table Scott sales have been marked unusable. Which statement caused this error to be returned when you issued the query? Option A. Delete from sales. Option B. Update sales set prod underscore status equals sold where prod underscore cat equals pence. Option C. Alter table sales move partitions L underscore QL tablespace example. Option D. Alter table sales move partition Sal underscore Q1 tablespace example update indexes. The correct answer is option C.